Hi everybody. I just want to go over our evidence of learning, section 4 of the learning plan. This is where we are going to put our research about a specific career or occupation together and then create a brochure. So I do want to take a minute and go through the project sheet so that you have that explanation. Remember that all our project sheets are a one-stop shop. And what does that mean? It means that everything that you need to access, whether it is a link to turn it in, whether it's a link to Canva, whether it's access to different websites, are all going to be linked on this one sheet. I do that so that you don't have to go to 96 different places to find information. So definitely make sure that you recognize that and that you utilize that project sheet for that purpose. The only other thing that I want to share with you is this little portion right here of the learning plan. I do want you to check out the MIFA pathway. We all signed up for it at the beginning of the quarter. And I want you to do some career research here. It's not one of the links on your project sheet simply because it is specific to you. So you will log into the MIFA pathway, and then if you go to career search, it will help you gather more information about your career of choice. So definitely check that out and don't disregard that because it can provide a lot of important information for you. So here we have our career pathways project sheet. You're going to see everything is listed out for you. You'll notice anything that is in a different color, whether it is the purple or the pink or the orange or the green, that is a live link. Remember I said that everything on this project sheet is accessible to you. It's a one-stop shop. So everything that you need in order to complete this project is right here for you. The purple link, this is a Google form, so you can tell me what your occupation selection is. So once you decide on that, I do want you to fill in that Google form. The next piece is to make sure that you have access to turnitin.com. We have used that for our last project. We will be utilizing that again this time. Remember that it is not a punitive experience. It is to help you improve your research skills and reduce any kind of plagiarism that might happen. I'm not looking to get you. I'm just looking to help you become a better researcher. So we will be utilizing turnitin.com. In section C, you'll see the orange links. Those are all the websites that you are going to utilize for the research for this project. Again, they're really helpful. The Occupational Outlook Handbook is excellent. My Next Move, the Career One Stop has videos as well as some information in the career profile. So those are websites that we did review in class, but I highly encourage you to go through them. And if you have any questions about them, don't hesitate to ask. Finally, we're going to be using Canva for Education. Please use this link. I cannot stress that enough. If you use just canva.com, that will bring you to a regular Canva platform where you will not have access to everything. Please use this link. This will bring you to our class Canva for Education account where you have access to all the elements and templates and pictures and clip art. Anything that you want is accessible to you. So it's going to be really important to click this link. Here is the graphic organizer. So as you do your research, you're going to be filling in this graphic organizer. Please make sure that your information is comprehensive, that it is detailed, that it is specific. More information is better than not enough information. What you don't want to do is get to your project and then not have enough information. So please make sure that you are detailed and you are specific in your research. The last part of this project is a Flipgrid. As you guys know, I really believe that reflection is the way that we learn more deeply. So I am going to ask that you reflect on your project and you reflect on the research that you've done and the career that you've selected. The Flipgrid needs to be at least 1 minute and 30-second video reflecting on your pathway. And I want you to be answering these questions. What are some things that surprised you about the career? What most interests you about the career? How does this career align to your skills, strengths, interests, and values? We're kind of pulling back what we did with the self-assessments. and then comment on anything you found interesting while doing the research. So that should be comfortably within that minute 30 for you to create your reflection. Certainly add in anything else that you would like to as you reflect on your project. If you have any questions about this project, don't hesitate to email me or stop into AOT. Thank you.